Testing, testing. Okay, we're back. Brutal. Um, yeah, we rotated the desk. Let's just say the mural that used to live on the wall lives no longer. Lives no longer. Yeah. Another step closer to putting the house on the market and maybe going somewhere a little bit more exciting. So that's kind of where we're at. Trying to make the next steps here. What up, Major Who? How you doing? You're ruined. Let's go. All right, guys. I see your guys' messages. I see that everything's broken. Why not just dive right in and fix it? But yeah, we've been looking, guys. Like my boy's getting a touch older, and schools are gonna be important soon. And where we live, you probably wouldn't want to do that. You wouldn't want to probably send your kids to school here. So we are, yeah. So we've been kind of looking. Okay, so I've got a couple things going on here. First of all, I've got the world's most annoying log you've ever seen. And it's destroying. It is destroying the logs. So I just gotta delete all these first. Believe it or not, those ones are fine. These ones are probably fine. Yeah, I mean, this is where the bug lives. So let's see if we can find it. Okay, cool. So having at 3 o'clock on the nose. Let me check the email. Um, yeah, 3 o'clock on the nose. So let's pop this window open. Yeah, let me tell you, sanding the mural was about as brutal as it gets. Infinite, how we doing? How we doing? Oh, three, oh, 2, 15, 8, 0, 0, oh, 3, oh. We once did have deep linking. See, this is the log that's causing me absolute nightmares. I can't wait for this thing to never come back. It's just, it just buries my. That's what, that's kind of, Ibra, that's kind of where these bugs started from. Look at this, adding badge, mythical prisma error, unique constraint failed. Unique constraint failed. Mythical is probably the red or the orange one. So, okay, now that we have the logs targeted. I need to. I don't know what I was doing here. Um, let's see here. It looks like I was already working in here when I left off. I actually didn't work on Embedded at all yesterday. I can't tell you the last time that's true. Refresh. Oh, so what I was working on is refreshing new users. That's what I remember. So if we go to job in World of Warcraft, that is that is the mythical tier, which is what we basically copied. We just decided it wasn't as epic as purple. Okay, so I gotta finish this one, being that I'm halfway through a commit. Refresh new users, refresh new users, refresh new users. And then I was coming up with one. Get all with new badge. And then we were gonna loop over them. And then this is the part I just need to fix. User badge. Honestly, I can just do this. Dot refresh new user badge. Ah. I haven't done a plank in probably 10 years, so this will be interesting. Okay, let's see here. Sugar shutdown's gonna be a good one. Okay, refresh new badge. So I don't have the ah. Let's see here. Let's go. Major follow from Jesus Lime. What's up? Welcome in. We need context service. So I need to create something called impersonate. I think. Impersonate user context. And I think it's going to take in the user. Boom. And then cool. Let's just make up a. I guess we. Let's see if we can do this. Technically, I can do this. Okay, let's see here. User roles. Pockets, let's go. Damn, this is not fun. Okay, I'm not doing this. Maybe I will. So what are you? You are roles, and what are you? Aren't you guys the same thing? You're an enum, and you are. Oh, you're. Oh, you're what? Oh no, that makes sense. What if we just said no roles for now? Cool. Cool. Okay, so we have an impersonated context here, which I need because the way that I don't think we need to do this. So if basically if the user's in a bad state, then get upset. Here. Um, I don't know if this is a good idea or not. Impersonated user. Impersonated context, and then you can pass that in. I really don't know if that's a good idea or not. It shouldn't be in a way. Huh? Cool. Why am I not using Rust? What's Rust? Let's see here. Impersonate context. I don't know if this is a good idea or not. I really don't. Those three make sense. Context at day key. I don't like this. That was a good use of time. I hurted your feelings. Now that is not good. Context user dot. It's gotta be ID. The frick is this? Oh. I'll figure that out in a minute. If user is not admin, throw exception. Do I have like maybe a so guys, I'm kind of stuck here. The reason I'm kind of just fumbling around is this code takes in the request's context only and uses that user. Well, I'm running this from a job, from a cron job. So it's not coming from that user. It's coming from a different user. So I actually need to impersonate the person we want to pretend to be to update them. The problem with that is it just feels dirty. Impersonate user context, but I think I think it could be okay. I want to just verify that they're admin. Cheap viewers, Mary Lou, thank you so much for that link. I'll check that out. Is admin user role service. Perfect. Is admin. Ah, and this thing wants to email. Yikes. I probably don't have email. Why are we doing it by email? Ah, because we need their. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. No, I don't want to do that. I want to check the roles I already have. Roles.isAdmin. Cool. Cooked. If we're not admin, throw new service exception. You nailed it. Minus the word throw spelled wrong. Boom. Done. Okay. Dude, React Native's so dope. All right, cool. So if the user's not an admin, or if the user we have doesn't have, they're not going to have email, which is fine. Day key. Probably not going to have that. Dude, we're making a habit building app. Honestly, all this is incorrect for now, so new date. Really, all we care about is, I think, these two. We'll find out. Okay, so now I can pass in impersonated. I think that's good, guys. Context. And this we weren't going to await, I don't think. Probably should. So this will the way that these badges, and this is kind of related to probably the bug that you guys are seeing. This is going, the way I do this is whenever I refresh a badge, I straight up remove it. And then I go see if we should add it. So I don't know where this is breaking it. We'll find out. Do you plan to stream anything other than Embedder? I can't even imagine working on anything but Embedder. So not at the moment. Yeah, like all my chips are in on this. Get badge category. Cyprian, let's go. Yeah, I'm all in on it. Badge keys. Crap. New user. Boom. Okay, let's see if I can do this. Off topic. Oh, good question. Dude, it's such that question's so near and dear to my heart. I'm actually going to take the time to show you because I wanted it to look like that. Boom, I think it's this. I think it's this right here. I think it's I'll even copy it. I can't copy. I'll trade you if you can tell me how to copy text from Neovim. I'll copy it and I'll send it to you. I actually can't believe I can't copy it, man. What the hell? No, it doesn't work. I need to get this thing working again. This is how it's supposed to work. But I'm not going to do it because it doesn't work. But it's this if statement right here. That's it. It can't find when to yank. But why not? What if I were to make it an alias? I don't even use name, do I? No. So who cares? So there's a copy clipboard command, when to yank. Okay, so we're going to try this. Watch this. So there's when to. Okay, cool. This is going to work, guys. This is going to work. Watch. WSL. Watch this. Nvim. Hello. World. Okay. Yank. When to yank is not executable. Why not? It looks like it's fine here. Exactly. You gotta code the entire IDE first. Damn, dude, I really thought that was it, guys. Hmm. Why would it not be executable? What do you mean? I'm trying to get win to yank to work. Win to yank. And damn, I can't even find it now. Yeah, no problem. Terry Bull. Now I'm stuck looking into this. I need to be able to copy shit. Like it drives me insane. Where'd it go? I literally can't find it in my search. It's just driving me insane. Preview options. Okay, there it is. Win. Oh, it's win 32 yank. But I just have win 2 yank. What the hell? Win 32. What the? Bruh. We're just going to test this for funsies and then we're going to drop it. Win 2. All right, we're going to test it, guys. Here we go. This is for all the marbles. If it works, it works. Making that terrible, terrible drive. And we love being near family. So it's like, where can we go where we're nearby, but we're not paying out, an arm and a leg? And Pennsylvania, again, when's the last time you heard news about Pennsylvania, bro? They're not doing anything out in Pennsylvania. And I was just there camping, and let me tell you, whew, that's a beauty of a place. It is a beauty of a place. So we'll see. Well, time will tell. Time will tell. I'm gonna have to take down the freaking mural. I'm so sad. I'm literally gonna make her make me a new one in the new house. I need the mural. Why is this my favorite song? What'd you find, Runty? Wait, where did size go? Why'd we lose size? The rest of this, get out of here. Where's icon come from? User Habit, streak, tier. Oh, come on. Why is this my favorite song? Is that in Montana, dude? Oh, bro, I've watched all the Montana YouTube videos. Yeah, it's a beautiful setup out that way. But then you'll just never see anybody ever again. Like so as a, being that I got my boy, a big deal for me is for him to be able to hang out with the neighborhood hooligans. So I need to have some form of neighborhood. That's true. You could create your own neighborhood. That is true. Imagine that. Um, it would be sick to build a neighborhood. Runty, you got to play the lottery to win it, baby. Don't give up, dude. You got to play it though. Habit streak tier element. Okay. I don't know. I don't know if I need those two. We'll put this banger on. Excuse me. Dying over here. We'll put this banger on. Wait, no, I need background color. We'll see. We'll see. I don't know yet. Cooked. Cooked, guys. Dude, that's crazy. That would be insane. Imagine getting an island. Oh, I had a feeling. Start client. Refresh. Runty land, correct. Lake of the Woods. My favorite mountains or my favorite lakes are lakes that you have to access by hiking mountains. Why is this my favorite song? Oh my god, bro. Do you got mountains near ya, Akira? They don't gotta be. We're not talking. They don't gotta be Colorado mountains. Just mountains. Boom. Well, you just said you want to go sometime. That'll do right there. Yo, Coomber, thanks so much for the Coomberry. Thanks so much for the follow. Welcome in. Oh, I listen. I've been in the deepest of trenches you've ever seen on mountains. Nah, that's nice, dude. I would like to buy that too, Runty. I would like to buy that too. You should have bought it, dude. I can't believe you didn't buy it. Okay, so here's the deal, guys. I mean, that's crazy. Can you take a mortgage out on an island? All right, guys, watch this. Const. Here you guys go. This goes out to all of you guys. Elements. JSX element equals 4. Pretty much. You're not great, but it was definitely a good try. Habit. Boom. Ooh. We'll put on this banger. Oh god, I gotta drop a link. Oh, I gotta drop a link. This one unfortunately isn't on Spotify. That one goes out to Akira. You're going to want to listen to that if you haven't. I've seen it live. You had a friend in college who lived in Kenora on Lake of the Woods. He told me he had to drive a boat to shore. Dude, that's insane. Literally, that's insane. I would do anything for that problem. Premium pressed. Premium pressed. We got them right where we want them, guys. Well, actually, where I live right now, there's a huge music scene. So I'll be leaving that, unfortunately. What's your problem with me? Bruh. What's this thing's problem? I blame late key. I blame Late Key for what's happening right now. Excuse me. Late Key, why isn't this working? Skill issue, correct. Okay, fine. I know what it is. I know what it is. Late Key never saw it coming, but the dev dad did. But the dev dad did. The dev dad doesn't know anything. Don't listen to the dev dad, guys. I knew I could cook. People were like, yeah, he can't cook this. I heard whispers of people saying I couldn't cook that. Oh, I cooked it. The whispers were silenced. The whispers were silenced. What keyboard is this? The greatest keyboard. Yeah, I knew that would look good. Thank you, Akira. That's the keyboard. Okay, why didn't it work? Strong, why didn't it work? What in the what? Oh, you're the worst. What the hell happened? We went down swinging. We went down swinging, boys and girls. We went down. They caught us swinging. I don't know what happened. They caught us looking. The server crashed. Can we blame Late Key for it? I'm not sure yet. I'm just not sure yet. But we're going to try to. Okay? Yeah! When you're hot, baby. Look at those flames. Lakey, you're in trouble for that comment. You're in trouble for that comment. No, we've since changed it, Strong. There. That one goes out to Lakey. It does kind of look fire. Huh? My only beef with Skillet is that I didn't get to listen to him when I was younger. That's my biggest beef. What a mistake that was. What an absolute mistake that was. Done. -minute banger. If it's a banger, if it's a banger, we'll bang it. If it's a banger, we'll bang it. Boom, cooked. All right, guys, ready for this? Akira. Hmm. We need a display name. We need a display name immediately. We have. Hmm. That is your display name, correct? That is your display name. So I'm thinking I got to give this thing a display name. Its badge has a key. I should probably data drive it. What should I call it? Name? Sure. Name. I'm pretty sure I call that thing's name or title. Have a category, name, description. Perfect. Push DB from prod. Oh, you're. No, hell no. How's it only? Okay, let me go to planet scale and deploy this biatch. Staging. Name. Create deploy request. Deploy changes. This is NeoVim Dark Sky. Full of stars. Great username. Okay, so let's go to space DB. Let's go to dev. New query, select. Update. Oh, that's okay. Oh, screw it. Update. I took the long route to do what I'm about to do, but that's okay. Could have just gave it a default value. Set name equals. Okay. And then prod, we're gonna do the same thing. Okay. Yimmick, what's good? How we doing? Okay. So now I can start closing some of these. Schema. Prisma. Up. We gave her a name, and now we're going to drop the optional. Push DB from sick. Okay, then I'm going to come back over to here, my web app, and redeploy this request again. Deploy requests, branches, man. They sure charge you an arm and a leg for planet scale, but it's a great tool. It's a great tool. Not no. Create deploy requests. Deploy changes. Done. Almost done. Okay, done. Now we come back over here. Scripts. Ghoul. It's really dope. Like, it's probably worth the $40. Yannick, how we doing, by the way? You like the app I'm making, Dark Sky? Thanks, dude. I appreciate you saying that. We sure work hard on it. Start client. Start server. True. Yeah, you're paying arm and a leg and you still don't get much. What happened? What? Who broke what? Who broke what? It sure wasn't me, guys. Okay? Have a streak to your dial. Who broke this? A lot of people want to pin it on me. Okay, fine. You can pin it on me. Oh, God, I broke everything. I broke everything. I'm going to show you a trick of the trade, Akira. I'm going to show you a trick of the trade. Create, what was it called? Let me show you something. You tell me if you love or hate it, because this is how I've done it elsewhere. And you can do changes like that with no penalty. Yeah, I broke everything. What was the name of that thing? I can't remember now. Dude, come on. Okay, here, check it out, check it out, check it out. Create habit streak tier. Would you ever consider, and can I do this? Can I just do that instead? And these are optional usually. I'm not tight on these. I'm just showing you what I normally would do. So normally like my protocol for almost everything when it comes to gets and responses is the request is basically just an interface that literally wraps the object. I don't know why, but it's just the beauty of if we had done this is you would have gotten name for free. So it would have just auto updated. Now, the response, I usually make it questionable or optional because in theory it could fail. Like that's just a blanket statement. There's obviously exceptions and like, no, I know it won't fail, or we would have thrown an exception before it fails, etc., etc. But that is generally how I would do it. Well, it's not it's more it's a little bit more than that. Like it's not I don't know, so don't touch it. It's I had to define some standards. Right? I had to define some standards. By putting these standards in place, sometimes it's overkill, sometimes you lose some features if you were to do a different standard or break from the standard. Like so for instance, in Akira's case right here, if we make this not optional, if you get that response, you're guaranteed to have the object. If it fails, you don't get that response, you get an error. So you don't get we're not return. I'm pretty sure, at least the intent was to return success, false, message, here's your failure, internal code, here's your error, HTTP code, here's your error. That's the extends response. So you can get out of there the data. Okay. Cool. Let's just do that then. That way, I know it's going to break everything you literally just worked so hard on, so I'm so sorry. But let's do that. And same with update. And then this. So I'm just going to do these. Okay? Oh, because you're totally doing... Okay. Okay, we're all good. We're all good. Thanks for adhering to my ways. And like for arrays, I actually don't know what I do. I think I make them optional. I'm pretty sure I make them optional. I'm pretty sure I make any response optional. Yeah. Oh, there you go. Widget, see, optional. Everything's optional. So for the sake of consistency, we'll stick to this. But sorry for breaking everything you just worked on. Hopefully it's like dumb easy to just reintegrate to what we have. I'll push this also. That way you can work on it if you're interested. Great song, by the way. So here we go. Boom, 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 boom. And then we're adding name. we added name there, right there. Cool. Added name to habit streak tier. Boom, boom, boom. Pushed. Okay, cool. Now, Sidran, let's go. Welcome in. All right. All right, so now that we've done that, we can go back to the server. And here's the benefit of doing what I just did. I'm pretty sure the server should still break. Start server. Oh my god, I broke everything. Have a streak here. I broke everything. See, and that's a trade-off. Akira didn't have these as optionals, and now they are. And everything breaks. Well, now you have to account for every single field potentially being optional, which is annoying. Dude, what freaking file is this? Habit streak tier down. See, look. I know this is like the most evil thing you'll ever see. See, I don't like that. In fact, I don't like that either at all, to be honest. Well, data, what the? Hold on. Okay, so then the way I would do this here in create, dude, I wouldn't take this. I would take a habit streak tier. I would take the model. So you got to make sure you get the model from the interface, not the Prisma variant, but actually our auto-generated variant. And then that way you can come in here and say habit streak tier, habit streak tier, habit streak tier, habit streak tier. I do not like this at all. I don't know. Without those concrete DTOs, you kind of got to play this way. I don't like it. It is consistent, but it's ugly. So sorry if I'm breaking your heart here. But I'm going to fix it for you right now. On the server side anyway. Oh, look. It might not care. I don't know. We'll find out. Man, is there a fast way to do this? There probably was. I have a streak tier. Okay. So interesting finding. Min and max don't give a shit. So you don't got to do the question mark, question mark. I guess you do. Now I know nothing. Now I know nothing. So is it missing name? Is that why it's upset with me? There. Done. Why is it okay if the data's optional here in the update? Do you think that means it only updates them if they're populated? Because this min streak could not be there. And you obviously can't set min streak to null or undefined. It's required. So in update, is this basically only going to update it if the value's there? Wait, why would it allow undefined? The field literally can't be optional. So why would update allow it to be optional, but create doesn't? I wonder why. But guess what? I don't care that much. All right, let's see if I fixed everything yet. It doesn't look like it. Habit Streak tier service. So then this thing historically would take this thing still works with the let's see here. Not that we need context, but I always just do it. And then habit streak tier, habit streak tier, and then you pass that through. Habit streak tier, and then this becomes created habit streak tier. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, that dude, they're killing it. I think they just had a new album, right? Guys, I'm literally just paving over everything Akira just did. Akira, is your soul melting, or or not? Give me a 1 to 10. How much your soul is melting, guys? We need a 1 to 10 on how much his soul's melting right now. Really? So you're not, so you feel no disappointment that I'm paving over what, because like your brain obviously thought of this, right? And I'm coming in and saying, no, 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 we should do it this way, on a very opinionated stance. So this is a battle of opinions, you know? And the best devs can just separate themselves from it and let it be as it is. So if you feel no pain, I commend you, because I feel like I would be sad because I'm a weenie. But this is what I do. Ready? So you get the request as you do. Wait, body. I guess so. Right? Request, and then I do const um and then I get the actual field. So habit streak. Well, first of all, you also get context. Const um context uh context service dot service. Oh, come on. Are you not giving me context service? Why is this my favorite song? I already have context service. So why isn't it not giving me my options here? Okay, maybe I'll fix this. There you go. And I type it because I'm the freaking worst. I know people probably hate me for doing that. Lakey, do you hate me for typing it? Oh, you're probably right, dude. Context equals context service dot. I thought I might have had a get admin. No. Yeah, dude. I've thought about DTOs for so long, And I haven't been able to come up with like a strong opinion. It's driving me nuts, to be honest. But there you go. That's how it's done. That's how I have done it historically here, which it basically was exactly what you did. It's my favorite song. Okay, boom. There you go. The only one of the biggest problems with mine is I'm I'm I send over too much data to the client. I send over too much data. So that's my concern. Oh, that one does have the request. Cool. Cool. Yeah. Const, not body. I'm about to push this, by the way. See how the song's just saying F you over and over again? I feel like that's what Akira's saying to me right now. That's too funny. That is too funny. Okay. Does she start? Should I no look deploy it? It probably works. I made background optional. I actually don't want it to be optional anymore. So then we go back to common, scripts, Google scripts, server, start server, see what happens. Okay. Late key, we're gonna no key push. We're gonna no look push this change. It's probably good. That's what I keep trying to tell people. My changes are probably good. You know what I mean? Changing uh um all right, I push the changes. So whenever you feel like it, you I pushed it to both. So now common and server are both pushed. Yo, what's good? Yosef, it's a what is this thing? Moergo there you go, Glove 80. Such a great keyboard. Sometimes I think about pulling the old one out and seeing how she feels. It's probably going to be a terrible idea. She's a nice keyboard, though. Uh-oh, it doesn't reach. I need it to reach. That's not fun. Oh, I can do this. How's she look? How's she look? Does she look like I write software? If you guys saw me, if you guys are looking through your streamers and you saw me with this keyboard, would you think, wow, that guy codes? Wow. What a weird feeling to type on. Wow. Oh, she sounds so good. Wow. I don't even know. She look. How does it look? Can I get a one out of 10 on how clean that keyboard looks? That's a clean keyboard. It doesn't feel as good. For funsies, let's just play. Oh God. For funsies, let's just play with it. Pretty dope, isn't it? Okay, so let's go to oh my God, I can't even type on it. What a weird freaking thing this is. Who? Who the hell is Jairus Johnson? Oh my God. This will never do. This will just never do. Where is this key? Oh, I'm sad because I was gonna have some fun with it. But this just ain't gonna do. Yeah. Goodbye. That was fun. I literally can't type on it. This thing is too tuned in. I put it backwards. This thing is I'm too dialed on it, guys. Oh, I'm so sad it's 7 o'clock. I gotta jump soon. We got a birthday party to go to. Uh-oh. You're right, I will. Update, have a streak tier, set, name equals, where ID equals. Okay. Um, logs. Order by min streak ascending. What do, guys, we're naming these flames. We're naming these flames. The logs are obviously called logs. We'll call them the logs. What do we name the what do we name because we can make them funny names, we can make them quirky names, we can make them straightforward names. What are we thinking? Like um like you could do something like rookie. So gold is ID 6. 6. Then the next one is 7. And then the next one is 3, 4, 5. Flame tier 1. There you go. Ooh, ooh. The eternal flame. A spark. It's lit on fire. Um, we'll call this one heating up. I'm not gonna do these at all, just so you guys know. Like, I probably won't do any of these. Blazing. There you go. See, now, Akira and Friends. The reason a pro of how the DTOs are done today is I didn't touch. After I got the server to conform to what it usually does, I added a field and it already comes to the front end and I don't even know or care. It just comes. So that I would argue is a cool feature. Tier dot uh don't tell me. Don't tell me I used a ditto. A ditto. Don't tell me I used a ditto here. Name. Name. Okay, it's right. It was right there. Did I just lie to everybody? I think I just lied to everybody. Why isn't it there? The server's not started. Baby metal. Here, I'm gonna play one for you. I'm gonna cue this next one up. An absolute childhood banger for me, guys. An absolute childhood banger. I might have queued two. Oh no 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 no. This one. This one comes first. Absolutely. Absolutely. Absolute childhood banger. There it is. Damn, why didn't I put description? Am I an idiot? Nah, no, it's okay. Why didn't it show his badge? That's okay. We're changing the badges anyway. It's not. I don't think he's probably not. Is he premium? Membership premium. I don't know. I don't know. Um, Remember that's my. Oh, it's because I haven't populated everybody's badges yet. Remember, I cut it short. No, that ain't production. That ain't production. I that's it. We're in an intended place. We're in an intended place. I have to run when this is all said and done a final pass to update everybody's badges. I only updated like the first 100 people, and then I killed it because I didn't feel like waiting. And then I updated mine and Akira's. This is the childhood a childhood classic. Okay. All right. Oh yeah, I've seen Skylet Drive live. This was probably the first metal song I ever liked. First metal song I ever liked. Right before our eyes. What a tone, guys. Come on. Absolute banger alert. Oh, this is about as metal as it gets, dude. How's music get so good, guys? I'll never know. I might have queued up a few more from this artist. I might have. I'm not gonna say for sure though. It could have been someone else. All right, let me show you guys. Let me show you guys something really cooked. Okay. Wow. Oh man, we're running out of room. What do I do? That'll do. Oh man, not scrollable, dude. I'll be doomed. Yeah, shadows. Hell yeah. Border radius 9. What are you listening to me? What are we thinking? What are we thinking? What are we thinking? Guys, can I get a one, two, three, four, or five in the chat? Five being, oh my god, how did you come up with that idea? Uh um we'll say one being, dude, go back to woodworking. True, we do want to add 2 tiers. You think one go back to woodworking, bro? Delta at -5, which means this is some of the greatest work I've ever seen. Thank you for those kind words, Delta. Oh my god, that looks so good. One should have been the best. It literally looked still got residual illness. Dude, that's so sick. Should I just at this rate, guys, should I just make it a full slide up modal? Oh, Akira, listen to this chorus if you don't know this chorus, dude. Best chorus you've ever heard. If there it is. It needs to just be it doesn't need to be a modal. It just needs to be literally be a slide up navigation page. Random. I knew there was a reason you were here. I couldn't tell. I was kind of like Morpheus in the Matrix, where like I knew I just had a feeling about you. I just didn't know what it was. And now you finally revealed yourself. So you're saying if I click on blazing, it should disappear? Well, I think we need to get it off of this modal. That looks really good. All right. Full screen so it doesn't work. That way, more like a screen or a bottom drawer. Yeah, I'm thinking like a bottom drawer. Whoa, how does this thing? What? Oh, I know why I know why that's doing what it's doing. So ballin'. Okay, who uses this? First of all, eh? Okay, who uses? First let's find this, and let's rename it so it's not a modal. Ah, boom. Okay, she's no longer a modal, guys. She's no longer a modal. Habit, streak, tier modal. Summary modal. Who's using this? You are no longer using this. Okay. Cooked. On habit streak widget. Where are you broken? Where are you broken? You break my heart. Why are you broken? Why is it broken, guys? We fixed everything. I don't know if that was a good idea or not. Time will tell. Time will tell. Time will tell. We're kind of lost in the sauce, guys. What happened to us? This is a widget, but it's not a widget anymore. Why isn't it a widget? It should be a widget. The hell, dude? Let's go look at Akira's profile. It should be a widget. Who wrote this stuff, guys? Who did this? Who did this? It wasn't me. I'm not taking the blame. I'm not taking the fall. I am not taking the fall. Gotta restart the device. Classic. Who's putting on these absolute bangers? Reveal yourself. Okay. This is looking good. Modal visible. Goodbye. Size. Goodbye. You're gonna come in handy later. Oh my god, Spotify's just putting on absolute bangers. Spotify is so great. I hope financially they're doing well because I just need them to like never stop. Yeah, I'm on a family plan, so someone else is paying for it. Shh, don't tell anyone. Guys, Akira's on a 3 day streak. Akira's on a 3 day streak. Akira's got the logs, dude. Akira's got the logs. So Stronk made a good point. We should probably tell them how close they are to the next tier, right? Or not. I don't know. But kind of like what's next for me, right? That's kind of what I'm thinking when I see this. Okay. You said add an X to the right, make it closable. You did say that, I thought. If not, I'll take full credit because that's a great idea. But I thought it was you. No, it was definitely you. Okay. Um, export, const, habit, streak, tier, summary, summary. Habit, streak, tier, summary. No, sir. Thank you. Secure. Main, tab, stack. Thank you. Roots, habit, streak, tier, summary. Habit, streak, tier. Where is it? Um, boom, 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 boom. Okay, we just cooked that. We just absolutely cooked that. So watch this. Ready, guys? We're moments from victory. We are just absolutely moments from victory. I need to not export this one because that don't make any sense. Oh my god. Okay. Last but not least, close to a touchable. Oh god, we don't do any. We don't go anywhere when you touch this. Well, just wait. Just wait. Const navigation equals use embedder navigation. I can't believe they got the motorcycle taken off into the night on this song. I wish that was me on the motorcycle. Nope. Navigation dot navigate. Ready for this? Watch this. Last but not least, routes dot habit streak tier summary. Cook. Ready? This one goes out to Strunk. This one goes out to Strunk. Ready, Strunk? Boom. Bada bing, bada boom. Gotta wrap it in my screen. Boom. Just gonna make this a banner. The names will totally work for achievements. Yeah, those would. I just love the logs. Like to me, that's just I've never seen anything funnier than the freaking logs. Now that we're making this a scrollable, boys and girls, we have more room to banner name. What the heck is this? Oops. Wait, why is banner causing such a drastic? I know what to do. No, I don't think so. I don't know yet, though. I don't know yet, dude. I don't know yet. I just don't know yet. Let me copy one from elsewhere. Habit streak. I think I will. Habit streak tiers, render item. Does it handle the key for you? Honestly, let's just get rid of the button. Key extractor. Okay, there's a key extractor. Render item is going to take a habit streaked here, and we're going to return this. Can I just call it tier? Okay, cooked. Render item. Does it want item? Looks like it wants item. Okay, fine. Hold on, I see you sent over suggestions. Am I not pretty much nailing it? I feel like I got it. You let me know. I think that's it, dude. I think we just absolutely cooked that. How good is that? How good does that look? That way they don't have to bother scrolling up and down. They can just scroll left and right. Which I think is really useful in a lot of situations. Okay, what the? Why didn't she scroll? Exactly. That way it gives them an exercise. A lot of people forget about how important exercise is. So I try to keep that. I try to give people exercise. See how I can do index. Yes, watch this guys. Watch this. Padding margin top index equals equals 0 question mark or question mark 0, otherwise use a padding. Boom, absolutely cooked. Okay, we need width to be not what it is. Okay, cooked. I thought you were cooked. What happened? I thought you were cooked. What happened? Okay, so do you need a style? Ain't that something? Ain't that something? Oh, come on. Absolutely flippin' cooked. Minus the fact that it doesn't scroll all the way. So just ignore that. Just pretend to scroll all the way. Oh, why isn't it? What happened? Who hurt you? Okay. Who hurt you? Who hurt this thing, guys? Now, why in tarnation would would flex? Does flex not go all the way vertical, horizontal? I mean, okay, like I got a flex there. Why is everything not flexing? We even give this thing a width 100. I'll never know. Sometimes you just gotta finagle it a bit, guys. Sometimes you just gotta finagle it a bit. That's all. Guys, when you're writing software and it doesn't work, sometimes you just need to finagle it a bit. Okay? You heard it here first. Sometimes you just need to finagle it. Yeah, I can, but they're not good. I highly recommend. Oh God. Uh. Anyway, I was gonna refer you to that guy's anyway. Look at that video, and he has a link to his. I would definitely just use his. Like mine's all messy and not good. His is I based mine on his and basically um stopped. All right, so right icon is arrow. Oops, left. Arrow. Oh, I'm getting a call. Hi. Oh, she wanted me to read a text. It's time to go. It's time to go. Productions Brown. That's good. That's good. I gotta go also for to a birthday party. Let's see. Uh Habit Streak tier. All right, it's the admin page that's bringing down production. So it's literally don't touch the admin page while I'm at the birthday party. It won't go down. So it tried to get a name from Habit Streak tier on a. So I gotta go, guys. We got a far way to go. But guys, that was absolutely cooked. We're looking good as hell. So let's go do a raid here. All right, guys. This is a good channel to go to. Enjoy your days. Thanks so much for being here. Thanks for everything. World's greatest community. We absolutely cooked today. Sorry for the abrupt abort, but I got to get TF out of here.